Hi guys, so I wanted to show you how CP Falls looks like. For those who don't know CP Falls, it's found in Uganda, specifically Kapchorwa. So you guys are going to see, it's fun being there, though the waves are heavy, like windy. But it's beautiful. You guys will see it at the end. It's a beautiful fall. That's me climbing there. Just look. You can feel like staying the whole time there, but the bad thing, you'll get sick for those who are not used to cold water. Here I was with my friends, just enjoying. Guys, the way my phone suffered, the water. Forgive my voice, it's just morning. I just wanted to give you guys updates, and I'll keep posting more. Please subscribe and hit the notification button to get more of my life, what I love and what you probably love, but you'll get it too. God bless you. Thank you.